going on, pumpkin people? We're out here in the patch with Cardinal. Cardinal is 400 pounds. 400 pounds today. She did about 190 pounds or so in about a week. So we're sitting at about 400 pounds. And let's just go show you the plant health right now and get a better close-up look. All right, so here's a better up-close look of Cardinal. Let's do a 2-liter soda bottle here real quick, just for some scale, so you can get a better look how big. So that's a 2-liter soda bottle next to the Cardinal. We're about 116 inches in circumference, 71 inches side to side, front to back. We are about 71 inches as well. Overall plant health, sea of green. Way in the back there, you can see one leaf right there. It's old, but that's to be expected. And got a little wild and crazy over here. We're gonna do some trimming and training, but not too bad. I was trying to snake this secondary right here, still growing pretty strong. Trying to just loop it around, bring it around here, and fill in this area. But overall, looking pretty good. Vine stress is good. I got a fan blowing on it. Just make sure nothing happens. Got, some play here. Got some play here. I just adjusted the vine here. Stem's not overly huge. What else? The blossom end here. Yeah, scar. I'll say it in every video from now until way off. Don't touch your baby pumpkins. This is what happens. Anyway, that's the blossom. Looking okay, I think, underneath. Let me take a look through the camera. Looking okay. But eventually this is gonna close off. Maybe that will sit, but we're gonna have to put a fan or something underneath. And look at the sand here. See the sand? It has like a little line. She's pushing sand. She's moving. We're growing about 25 pounds a day for the past 7 days, 8 days or so. Weather's been pretty good. Couple cool nights, slowed down just a touch, but I'm not too concerned here. I think she'll keep pushing. I'm hoping by next week we're at 550 pounds by next Sunday. That'd be great. I'm hoping by the end of August we have 1,000. That's the real ambitious goal, but we're gonna see. We're gonna try. We're gonna push. We're gonna do everything we can. I'm gonna fertilize tonight with balanced fertilizer. I didn't water for a couple days. We had like a couple inches of rain on Friday, so I let it dry out for a few days, but I think she's ready for some fertilizer and a little bit of water. But we gotta keep our eye out for powdery mildew. And I can see right there, I think that's just residue from various fungicides and such, but knock on wood, I don't see any yet. Got to keep it at bay, keep up with our program. But thanks for tuning in this week, and hopefully next week we can put on another 150 pounds, 200 pounds would be great, but she's moving. Thanks again, everybody. Until next time, growing big.